Welcome to Tórónet, where you can securely manage your digital assets. In this video, we'll show you how to create your Tórónet wallet for the first time. This is our how-to video series, where we will guide you through the basics of using the Tórónet wallet. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, our videos will help you get the most out of your experience. From setting up your account to advanced features, we've got you covered. If you have any questions during the video, please drop them in the comments below. Let's get started. There are two easy ways to get to the Tórónet wallet. If you are on our website, navigate to the top right corner and click on Get Started, and select the first option on the drop-down menu that reads Open a Wallet on Mainnet. Or you can navigate to the wallet welcome page directly by entering the URL tórónet.org/wallet. This is the sign-in page for existing users as well. Below the login credentials box, you will see a link that reads, Don't have a Tórónet address? Create one here. Please click this link to create your new address. Here you will be prompted to create a password. We suggest that you create a strong 10-digit password, making sure that it meets the requirements, which include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It is important to use a secure password and store it safely. This password is the only way to access your address, and we are not able to recover any accounts on the back end. Once you decide on a password and have it stored in a safe place, re-enter the password and click Submit and Create. You will then see your address self-populate. Please save this address securely where you save your password. Congratulations! You have now set up your Tórónet wallet. In your new Tórónet wallet, your dashboard will automatically open. You can see quick insights into the tokens available on Tórónet, the value of each stablecoin, insights into your bridge tokens, and your transaction history. As you begin to use your wallet, your dashboard is a valuable tool because it provides a visual summary of important information and data for your address and activity in one central location, making it easy to have an overview of what's going on with your assets and to help you make data-driven decisions. Watch the next video to learn more about how to use your wallet. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Tórónet.